5 best long-blooming perennials for your garden. Tired of flowers that only bloom for a week or two? Long-blooming perennials are here to save your garden. These are plants that come back every year and bloom for months, not just days. That means more color, more beauty, and less work for you. Whether you want pops of pink, purple, yellow, or blue, these reliable plants brighten up your garden beds all season long. Let's take a look at some of the best long-blooming perennials you can plant once and enjoy for years to come. Number 1. Coneflower. Coneflowers are tough, beautiful flowers that bloom from early summer into fall. They come in many colors like pink, purple, orange, and white. Coneflowers love full sun and grow well in poor soil, making them perfect for beginners. Their daisy-like blooms attract butterflies and bees, and they even stand up to heat and drought. Once established, they don't need much care at all. Just trim off dead flowers, called deadheading, to keep new ones coming. These flowers are great for garden beds or borders, and even look beautiful in dried flower arrangements. Number 2. Black-Eyed Susan. With their cheerful yellow petals and dark centers, Black-Eyed Susans bring sunshine to any garden. These hardy perennials bloom from midsummer all the way through fall. They're heat-tolerant, drought-resistant, and super easy to grow. They do best in full sun and well-drained soil. You can plant them in groups for a big splash of color or mix them in with other flowers. Bees, butterflies, and birds love them too. Once planted, they'll come back stronger every year and keep your garden glowing for months. Number 3. Russian Sage. If you want a soft, wispy plant with long-lasting blooms, Russian Sage is a top pick. Its lavender blue flowers and silvery leaves bring a calm, airy feel to your garden. It starts blooming in early summer and often keeps going into fall. Russian Sage loves full sun and dry soil, and it's nearly impossible to kill once it's established. It doesn't need much watering or trimming, just give it space to grow. It pairs well with other bold flowers and works beautifully in borders or cottage-style gardens. Number 4. Coreopsis. Coreopsis is a sunny little flower that blooms from late spring to early fall. Its yellow, orange, or red blooms look like little bursts of sunshine. It grows well in full sun and doesn't mind poor or dry soil. Coreopsis is a great choice if you want a low-maintenance plant that blooms for months. It also attracts pollinators like butterflies and bees, adding life to your garden. You can deadhead spent flowers to keep it blooming longer, but even without it, this plant will shine all season long. Number 5. Geranium Rozanne. Not to be confused with regular bedding geraniums, Rozanne is a hardy perennial geranium that blooms non-stop from late spring to the first frost. It has pretty purple-blue flowers with white centers and grows in neat, bushy clumps. It does well in sun or partial shade and spreads gently without taking over. Rozanne is perfect for filling in bare spots or flowing over the edge of garden beds and containers. It's one of the longest blooming perennials around, and once you plant it, you'll see why gardeners love it. Want flowers that bloom for months, not just weeks? These long-blooming perennials do exactly that, and they'll return year after year with minimal effort. If this video helped you pick your next garden favorite, give it a thumbs up and share your go-to perennial in the comments. And if you're looking to add more beauty with less work, check out this video. Low-maintenance plants for the front of your house. And remember, life is better when you garden.